Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen on POCO Find X2 Neo. So to do this, open up a settings here on the bottom, find system settings, then gesture and motions, and right here we can see all of the gestures and motions. So there's a specific tab for screen of gestures, and I'm gonna cover them, but first let's check a few of the options right here. So when you lock your device, you'll be able to rise to wake, also lift to ear answer for calls, auto switch to receiver, and flip to mute incoming calls, and also lift ear to make calls if you plug in your SIM card. So that's all for this menu. Now let's move to screen of gestures, and there's a bunch of more settings right here. So you can double tap to wake or turn off a screen, and that's quite simple. Let's double tap and our screen should wake up or turn off like this. Now let's unlock it. Next one is to draw an O to open the camera, and let's try it on our locked screen. It works fine. Next one is draw V to turn on flashlight or disable it. So let's try it. So I think the phone needs to be fully turned off, not waking up, to make that gesture work. I disabled it. Okay, now let's try it again, and it works very well. Here's a music control, and now you can use 2 fingers to draw specific patterns on your screen to navigate through the music. So if you want to stop, pause, or play next or previous track, you can do this by performing these motions. So draw pause to pause it, draw this arrow to the left to play previous and next track with drawing it in a different direction. You can also enable different draw methods, like draw this to enable calculator. There's also slide up, and you'll need to add a specific action for it. So by sliding up like this, you'll be able to unlock, call, or open the app. And each of the settings has additional settings, so you can call a specific person, open a specific app, and slide left to launch a weather, and it goes on for each of these specific drawn patterns. And that's basically all of the gestures available for the lock screen on this device, and that's it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Leave a like and a comment below.